Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video. Today before I start the video of the 21st February, I want to ask y'all, please like my videos. Please like my videos. You don't have to subscribe my channel, but if you want to see every video, then just subscribe to my channel. Alright, so I want to make a quick video, so let's start it. Alright, so today I marked out the New York session and we got that previous day high of the daily candle and we're still in that end daily fair value gap, so it's still intact. After that I went to the 4 hour on the 4 hour just to look what the chart is doing, and we're kind of accumulating on the 4 hour, so I switched on the 1 hour to have a better vision. Alright, so here still the and daily fair value gap. Got some huge nice trades here, but yeah, after this huge bearish candle we came all the way up, and y'all, as y'all can see here, we got the end 1 hourly fair value gap here, so that's a confirmation for me. Focus on the end fair value gaps, and then we hit it that buy side liquidity right there, buy side liquidity on the 1 hour, and we almost tapped in that 1 hourly order block. Alright, after that I just switched on the 5 minute, 3 minute, between it, just look at my time frame right here. Alright, what just happened is, let's delete this block here, come to the end, the 1 hourly fair value gap. I knew it's gonna break down somewhere around here, so I was bearish for the day, but I didn't knew the huge move was happening. Alright, so after almost tapping here in the 1 hourly order block, we got some kind of SMT with the S&P 500. Alright, so I want to see a inversion gap on 3 minutes first to confirm that hourly order block. We got that here. That's the change of character to say I'm bearish for the day. Alright, after that I'm focused only on this point right here. Then I'll switch to the 1 minute, looking for this retracement right here, because here we didn't got a close under it, and here we got a close under it. Switching to the 1 minute. So that's that. This one here is the pullback, and where I knew it's gonna reverse is here. I used it again, the end of the 1 minute fair value gap. So we got that inverse fair value gap here. Lots of people entered here, but I didn't enter any trades here because New York session didn't even start, so it started for me here at 3:30. So after coming all the way up, we hit the end fair value gap. As you can see, we're dropping down from here, from the end of the fair value gap. Alright, after that huge displacement to the downside, I just missed those entries because I didn't want to trade before New York session because of the value of the price. It's gonna be like the tick value is gonna be way more higher in the New York session, and before it's just so low, so lower money. Alright, I marked out here some overlapping fair value gaps, so I'm using different time frames for those to see where it could be retracing. We got here a 5-minute fair value gap, and then I looked out the 3-minute fair value gap here, the 1 minute, and it could potentially reverse there. Alright, so after we tapped in here, I went to the 10-second. And yeah, I looked for a trade here. I got some SMT from those fair value gap with the S&P 500. So I just entered a trade here, but it dropped so hard, like really fast, that I didn't could set a stop loss, and then it just yeah, I just got out by market. But yeah, that wasn't a nice trade. I lost like 900 on this one. But after this, we tapped in again here in fair value gaps, which I didn't mark out right now, but we came all the way down here. I went to the 10 seconds, and then I just entered off the first, like when I see some buyers stepping in. I saw here some wicks like buyers just stepped in, so I entered right here. I got my 10 point stop. I almost got stopped out around here, but it just reversed all the way up to this point. And why I took it off here is because we got that huge bearish displacement. I want to look for shorts and not any longs anymore. I just went for longs here just to get that little retracement. So look at the 1 minute. I was focusing on that continuation gap on the 1 minute like lots of people did. And after tapping in here, I'm confirming this on the 5 second, because it's only gonna be, it's like a turtle soup around here. That's gonna be turtle soup, so that's why I'm going to the 5 second. Alright, after coming here to the 5 second, I'm going off the first bearish candle which I see. Alright, so after coming here, I see this bearish candle here. I took my trade off here, so from my long trade, and I took shorts right here after that first bearish candle, and then I'm looking at the next candle. It just count like 5 seconds, and then I just entered here. I entered another contract here. I traded today with 2 contracts, and then I just target the sell side liquidity here at first, but I took it off then at the next 1 minute fair value gap. So I marked out the next 1 minute fair value gap here, which didn't got used. So that was my next target. After we tapped in here, y'all can see we made some accumulation here. The price isn't dropping that hard, so my trade was a really nice trade, like 5.4 risk reward. He got a nice almost 3 risk reward, and here lost 22 points, and here yeah made 27 points and 54 points. Yeah. After that, I didn't look for any trades, but I'm just looking what market is gonna do. Like I knew it's gonna drop way more harder because of that huge bearish drop after it's displacing so much on a sell model. So this was my market maker sell model. After displacing so much, just take continuation entries down here, and yeah, here y'all can see those are overlapping fair value gaps. So those here are fair value gaps: the 1 minute fair value gap, 3 minute, 1 hourly, 5 minute fair value gap. As you can see, after we tapped in here, price didn't knew exactly where we want to go, but yeah, we just dropped way more down to the whole, let's go to the 5 minute, to the whole sell side liquidity here. So today just a massive drop. Yeah, and if we go to the 1 hourly again, I marked out this order block here because we saw that drop, it coming way up. Like that's a manipulation leg, that's the distribution leg, took out buy side liquidity, and that's another manipulation leg here. So I think we're gonna make for sure new all-time highs, but maybe not right now. Maybe we're gonna take some sell side liquidity around here, because we got here some huge accumulation. Yeah, that was it for my trade for today. I don't want to talk so much, so I'm gonna probably end this video right here. So I need more views on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that follow button, hit that like button.